Cool. Hi, my name is Cordian. I'm the founder and CEO of Rimon Technologies. So we are a spin-off from one of the real known universities in Switzerland, so the MIT of Europe, you could say. And what we work on is we work with manufacturing service companies together to digitize the expertise that they have. So there's a lot of people in these companies who work on machines, operate them, who over the years gained a lot of expertise. The problem is there's a lot of turnover going on, also the demographic change, some people retire, and that has a huge impact for the companies, that a lot of knowledge flows out of the company, and it's very hard to share it. So what we do here at Rimon Technology, we solve this problem. We provide the companies with a platform that they can use. So the experts would wear a body cam while they're working that documents what they do on a daily basis, and then it gets uploaded on the platform. On the other side, if somebody has a question or has to operate the machine, in case the expert is not here on vacation or retired, somebody else can, for example, jump in, can use our system, can ask any question: how do I do this? How do I program this machine? And it will show you the right video snippets right there. So like that, it's very easy also to keep the machines running, and so you don't have any disturbance in the whole process there. And so it's very simple how you use it. Wear a body cam, do the recording during daily work, upload it, and that's pretty much it. And like that, we're able to digitize, first of all, the know-how of these people, make it shareable, and keep the company, especially in the manufacturing, keep the machines running so you don't have any disturbance in between.